In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find GoBank branches and ATMs near you. Whether you're looking to withdraw some cash or reload your GoBank card, it's important to know where the nearest location is. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this process easily. Firstly, you'll want to head over to the GoBank website. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL or search for GoBank. This will take you to their homepage where you'll find a range of resources and options to help with your banking needs. Once you're on the homepage, your next step is to locate the Help section. It's usually part of the main navigation menu. Go ahead and click on Help and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, select FAQs. This is where you'll find a wealth of information about GoBank services, including details about branch and ATM locations. After selecting FAQs, you'll be directed to a new page. This page is packed with useful information, but for today, our focus is on finding an ATM or branch. You'll want to look at the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Find ATM. Click on it. Now, a new page will prompt you to enter your location details. You can type in your zip code, your city, or even your state. This step is crucial as it helps the website filter nearby ATMs and branches based on your geographic location. Once you've entered the required location details, the next thing you need to do is click on Find. The website will then generate a map displaying all the nearby ATMs and reload locations. It's super user-friendly and gives you clear visual markers for each site. On the map, you'll notice different markers. These indicate where you can find ATMs for cash withdrawals and or reload locations where you can add cash to your GoBank card. It's incredibly convenient and allows you to choose the most accessible option for your needs. As a helpful tip, remember that GoBank utilizes the MoneyPass or ATM network. This means that you can enjoy free withdrawals at any MoneyPass ATM across the country. And there are thousands of these nationwide. So keep an eye out for MoneyPass ATMs on the map to avoid fees. Additionally, if you need to reload your GoBank card with cash, there are plenty of retail locations where you can do so. These include major retailers like Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, 7-Eleven, Kroger, and many other grocery and convenience chains. These options give you the flexibility to reload your card whenever it's convenient for you, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily find GoBank branches and ATMs near you, ensuring you have access to all the services you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.